So let's get started on the install. These are the original halogens. You're gonna want to open up the hood, and then there will be bolts on the side of your headlamp, and you're going to want to take off the little trim, the cover. From there, you're going to have these small screws. You can't see them in the brightness right here, but there's one Phillips right there, another right there, and two up top. You're gonna go ahead and remove it, and then the truck lights should just pop right out. You should be able to take the headlight out, and they're using these H4s, the old ones. And now all you do is just plug them back in with LED bulbs and you should be set. Alright, so this is the brand new lamp and this is the old one. That's the comparison right there, same size, 7x6 on the bottom. Before you begin to tidy everything up, you're gonna wanna turn your headlights on to see if they actually work. And voila, they are switched on. Yeah, this one's white LED. On this side, it's the old yellow halogens. I'll have test footage at night to see how well these headlights actually perform. So now we can go ahead and just put back our trim, our cover back onto the headlight. Alright, so I'm done installing them. This is how they look in the daytime. Let me turn the headlights on, show you the temperature difference. I'll try to get a night shot tonight. That's how they look. Much brighter, much wider.